post method, same as a post method. So just copy from our, so create a file, So what is that file? The file name is, you have to give put method. So put feature file, basically put feature file, you give that. So put API, request put API, same format you follow. New file. So where is the file is not there? Go to other file, you select and give request put API dot feature. So finish it. So copy paste from our blog. So you can, so just similar, right? So we don't want to waste time, quickly and go to this one. That's it. So Control A and Control V. So just implement this quickly. Similar way, you can just go to feature the TD Gherkin and give it here. You'll get all the steps. Create a new file. Quickly create the step definition file. What is the step definition file? New Java class. So what is the class name? You can use same, follow the how you have given put method. So method name is a put method. You can give put API test. So something like that, right? So put API test. So just give put API test. So now, so again, similar, right? We need this post method, whatever the values you declared globally, because you have to give these two we need, right? These two we need. So that you put it here first. So then similarly, you copy from all the steps, the given, when, then steps you copy. So given you import it from io.cucumber.java.en. When you import from io.cucumber.java.en. So then also import from io.cucumber.java, that one. So and remove all these things. And similar way what we did for post, and same code you will write here also. There is no, in the under place you have to put to make sure, then okay. So then validations, these are all. Similar code, there is no difference at all. Okay, but what value you want to give, it's all, no, it's up to you, right? So I can give a different data. Let's see how to give a different data. So you just do the first post API, and these two are common, right? These two are common. I'll give that. So given is done. So, but we have to do extend, right? Extends. So test base. So import this test base class. This is how we can do that. Here we need to give the input data, right? It's an object dot put, again JSON object dot put. So this also almost similar code. So this is the same code in the put method also. But here little bit, different, right? When you're sending a, here instead of post, you have to give put. But put method, to get user endpoint, you have to give /2, right? /2, right? Which user you are modifying. Put method. API users we are giving. API users means this one, the base path is setting. But the next one, /2, we are not giving. That you can put it here if you want the rest of the things. Put it here. Okay. That is not there in the, so this Here you just API slash users is there, but the /2 is not there. That I'm giving here. Clear? Is it clear now? So the values you change, maybe I'll give here a different values. Josna, I'll give automation test engineer. That's it. See, you're updating the second user with this data. That's it. Again, so remaining field all same. Given fields are same. But method is changing to put method. Instead of post, you are using a put, and then keyword all are same, right? Extract response. And the validations also similar validations, right? But it can be a 200 status code you will get, and data table concept again, right? Here also data table concept. You have to apply data table concept because you are using data table concept. Data table and import this IO Cucumber data table, and you get the response code, and you can validate the all the name and put a status code, and then we can validate. So whatever the fields you want, you can validate that fields also, right? So let's do the same as post method. So what I'm doing this, the same I'm doing here also. There is no difference code. All this kind of we are duplicating, right? What you will do, you will create a method in the utilities class. Here, utilities class will create one Java class. In that Java class, you will put a method. That method inside, you will put this entire code, and then you will call that. Okay. So that's how we are going to do that. And the response body fields you want to validate, right? So that also similar code you will do that. So this validate response body fields, same code you will put there also. This is all you can put different status codes. The reusable methods basically will develop. Reusable methods will develop. That's it. Remaining everything is similar code. So this is the put method is ready now. So now you can go and see that. Right click on the pom.xml, run as Maven build. So fraction of seconds it is going to finish. The output is going to be different every time, right? The output is going to be different. Say done, build is success. Let's take the report. You can take the report from here. See, total run 44. So 44 steps, not 44 test cases. 44 steps are there. That's the meaning of that. So we can go and see that report. See, this is how useful 9 test cases are there total. And say put method. See, I have given the input data, request body to update, it will give, so that all the data. So these are all the data. If you give parameters, parameter values you will get, right? So, and even so, how you will get the data, all these things. See, even you are getting here your scenario also. Your scenario name steps also you are getting here. So that's a very useful report. So this much clarity you won't get anywhere, right? So directly you don't have in the hybrid framework in Selenium. But here you are getting a direct report. That's the advantage with Cucumber.
Here's what I found on the internet.
Okay, so last method, delete method. Let's go and do the delete. So delete API. So last one, let's finish quickly. You want me to stop this one also separately? the recording.
Separate.
Yeah. So let's